Hello, today I'm going to show you how to work a brioche right cross cable. So the brioche right cross involves 3 stitches. And to start with, I'm going to bring my working yarn forward just to get it out of the way while I place stitches 1 and 2 onto my cable needle. You can use a hook like I am or a needle. But I do recommend for this stitch that you have something that is double-sided. And I'm going to hold those 2 stitches to the back and then bring my working yarn to the back as well and brioche knit the 3rd stitch. Next, I'm going to place stitch 1 back on the left needle with its yarn over shawl. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing there, and then I'm going to place stitch 2 on the left needle. Then I'm going to slip stitch 2 with a yarn over, and you can either brioche knit or brioche purl the next stitch depending on what you are going for. If you want to syncopate your brioche, you would purl this stitch, and if you just want to work a regular cross with no syncopation, then you would brioche knit this stitch. And that gives you a brioche right cross.